Hey, welcome to my channel edtech. Today in this tutorial, I will be teaching you about HTML5 formatting. Okay, so let's start with the code pen open with your basic structure of HTML first. This is a very simple lesson, but you still are supposed to know what this is all about. Okay, then the body. Close the body. So this will be happening within the body. Okay. So first, like for example, you want the syntax for bold. So it's B, close, bold. Another one, you must be already aware of the strong. So the strong, basically both will be doing the same job, but strong has a bit more importance than bold. So usually, for practical reasons, people usually use the syntax strong. But you're supposed to know both, so that's why I've explained both. BR, as you know, is for creating a space. As mentioned earlier, it doesn't have a closing tag, right? So this is just to create a space and create a next line. Okay, then EM. What is EM? EM is a syntax for emphasized, when you want to emphasize a sentence. This you don't use it much, but it is still, for all practical purpose, useful. Okay, emphasized. Then you have something called small, for small letters. Open and close are small. Okay, then just write something like, okay, then you have italicized. You already know what is italicized. So this is shown by I am italicized, right? Then you have, let's look at this, mark. What does mark do? Mark is quite interesting. This will kind of highlight. Interesting, right? Okay, go to the next line. Then what if you want to delete something? Del. That's the syntax, that's the open and close tag. So del is the tag, open and close tag, for deleting something. As you can see, the strike off comes, the strike through. Change to the next line. What is SUP? You must have heard of superscripted. We will see what it is. You don't use this too many times in your documents, but this is just to show you. Okay, if you write a lot, you will see what it means. I am a superscripted, sorry, so it has to come around it. Then only the effect will show, not here. Because I wanted this particular word to be superscripted. So the whole thing I am superscripted will follow. Otherwise, if you just want one word, then you can just write it over here. Wherever you want the effect, you can write here. you can write the syntax, the element or the opening and closing tag accordingly. So it will follow here. The same thing follows for subscripted. I am subscripted. Subscripted is the reverse of superscripted. So as you can see, superscripted and subscripted are just the reverse of each other. I forgot to put the BR tag so that the line goes, sorry. Be careful when you're typing. Yes, here you go. Superscripted when it's at the top to the power, this one when it's at the bottom. You already know, if you're a mathematics student, you already know what's the difference. If you still don't know, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll make a separate lecture for that. So this is all about the formatting, simple formatting. This you might require when you're kind of using a documentation in HTML, then you will be requiring very simple, easy to remember, right? So whatever questions you can ask in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe because I'll be continuing this series of HTML, and those who are already staying subscribed, thanks to you. So see you in the next week with a new chapter on HTML. Okay, till then, ciao.